Jimmy, where are you?
Oi. Oh.
Very well.
Oh.
So, water. Thank you, Jimmy.
Sono
Oh.
stanchissimo.
Oh, come on.
Era pesante.
Hello, my name is Susan,
And I am Jimmy.
and today we are gardening. Very well, very well. In our garden, we grow
Some fruits.
and vegetables,
I have here a tomato,
and here a carrot
cherries,
and apricot
asparagus.
and a big pear.
Wow, it's so big.
Very big. And of course, we also have
Oh.
flowers.
Wow, I love flowers.
Yeah.
Let's repeat.
Yeah.
Asparagus,
Carrot,
cherries,
apricot,
tomato,
pear,
carrot,
flowers.
and of course, gardening.
Bye-bye.